Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're looking at how to make your Nevada diploma way more powerful. After graduation, you're competing for college and jobs. So how exactly do you get an edge? The answer? Earning a Nevada Seal of Achievement. It's basically an endorsement that highlights your skills. Nevada offers 5 different seals, so you can really zero in on an area that you're passionate about. Okay, let's kick things off with the Seal of Biliteracy, perfect for you language pros out there. The path to get it is pretty simple. Just meet your graduation requirements and keep a 2.0 GPA in English. Then, you just gotta prove you're proficient in a second language, say with a qualifying score on an AP exam. Next up, we've got the Seal of Civic Excellence. This one's for you, future community leaders. To earn it, you need a pretty good GPA, some social studies credits, and a hands-on service project. And here's the kicker. You also have to score 90% or better on the Civics exam. All right, now for something everyone can use, the Seal of Financial Literacy. The requirements are pretty similar to the Civics Seal. You'll need that 3.25 GPA and 3 social studies credits. You've got options to prove your skills. You can ace a state assessment or a dual credit course. Okay, for all the innovators and builders, there's the Seal of STEM. This one's a bit of a heavy hitter. You'll need lots of science, math, and tech credits. Or you can add a little creativity to the mix with the Seal of STEAM. So what's the difference? Well, the big thing is you need 1 credit in fine arts. Now for both of these, STEM and STEAM, you have to prove your skills with high-level science and math tests. Okay, so you've put in the work to earn a seal. What's the big payoff? For starters, it'll make your college and scholarship applications really pop. It shows you go above and beyond. It also gives you a huge advantage in the job market, proving you have specialized skills. Really, it's just official recognition of your excellence and a testament to your hard work.
Who's this?